taking this seriously because alcohol and driving just does not mix. You could easily kill someone.
I relapsed. I was not doing what I was supposed to be doing, which is I want to live a nice life. And because I used to have everything and I lost it all. I'm at rock bottom.
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Calling 2025 CR 003154 State versus Rebecca Davis. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Okay, for the defendant.
And are you Rebecca Davis? Have you seen discovery?
Yes,
Did you review it with your client?
we've gone over it. Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Davis, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Ms. Davis, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has. She has assisted me.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Davis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is where
According
Rebecca's
to the
story
plea,
takes a much
punishment
more
is to be
serious
assessed at
turn.
8 years in the prison.
She had
There's a
already entered
$2,000
treatment,
fine.
but after
State
leaving the
recommends
program,
community
she admits that
supervision.
she
They're
relapsed.
taking in consideration
What makes this moment
2024
important
PF
is what she did next.
28045.
Instead of
Did you
waiting for
understand
someone
that
else
be the
to
plea?
intervene,
Yes, ma'am.
she
Defense, is that the
voluntarily
plea?
returned
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
treatment.
State, is that the plea?
But the
Yes.
judge still
Did you
has to
review the waiver
decide
of
what
appeal
accountability
paragraph with
looks
your
like.
attorney? Did you?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2024 PF 28045. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No such motions.
All right, off the record. Probation, this is cause number 2025 CR 003154, and it's an application for probation. All right, we're back on the record. Outside the agreement, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 8 years in the prison. That your length of probation. See, I'm trying to make sure everybody's awake.
Yeah.
It's shocking everybody's system.
Yeah.
What they're asking for is that your length of probation be 8 years, that there be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, 2-year license suspension, and they're asking that there be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition of your probation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
And state, with regards to the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, would you object to her serving that on GPS?
No objection.
All right. Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
State offers exhibit 1 and attachment.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'd like to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Since the date of offense, she has been in a rehab facility. It's now 90 days, and she may be better to explain this facility to you.
All right, what facility are you in,
SOBA, SOBA,
and where is it located?
here in San Antonio.
Okay.
Northeast side, I believe.
All right, I'm going to have to look that up.
Yeah,
I did
it's
not know about it,
amazing.
so could you tell the judge about
Yes,
some,
I would love to.
everything that they offer and that it's a lockdown facility?
Yeah, okay, so it's typically a 60-day program, and the first 30 days is residential, and you are not allowed to leave. You get 4-hour visits on both Saturday and Sunday. We are in class from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m.
Mhm.
They take us to Gold's Gym at 4 p.m. if you would like to go Monday
Well, I
through
need to
Friday.
join that just
I
to
know,
get
just to get the gym membership. They introduce yoga classes. We have yoga twice per week. We have CBT training, which is cognitive behavioral therapy. I have my own individual therapist and my own individual caseworker. Most of the staff are recovering either alcoholics or drug addicts, so they understand. We have an AA meeting every night from 7 to 8, Monday through Sunday. Yes, we are actually breathalyzed twice per day, once in the morning and once in the evening. And then we are UA'd Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and that's actually sent off to the laboratory as well. And that's typical for your whole stay. Like that's never going to change. After 30 days, you enter PHP, which is partial hospitalization. I believe they shave off 2 classes, so you have a little bit more free time.
Oh, you know what? Now that you mentioned the hospitalization part of this, I do know about this program because somebody brought someone who actually is over the program to come talk to me about it, but continue.
Okay.
Because I think people should know about this.
Yeah, you enter PHP and like I said, partial hospitalization. They shave off 2 classes, but that's just to have more time to get with your sponsor and go through the steps, that kind of thing. It's very step-based, the whole program. During PHP, you get 2 4-hour passes, one on Saturday and one on Sunday, so you can leave the premises, but they UA you upon re-entry to the facility. And then after the 60 days, you can choose to go into the next 30 days, which is IOP. It's less classes. We only have to attend AA 5 nights per week, but that's when you get a job. The facility actually helps you get to and from work for the whole first month, whether it be Uber or someone taking you. I'm gluten intolerant and they buy me special food. It's a fantastic facility. So I've learned so much and just in the short period of time that I've been there.
So how much longer time do you have with inpatient?
So I'm going to be totally transparent. I had entered the facility on February 10th and was released on March 13th.
By this point,
It
the
took about
court
2
has
weeks,
laid out
but I
almost
relapsed.
every
I was not
condition
doing what I
Rebecca
was
will
supposed to
have
be
to
doing,
follow.
which is attend to AA.
But notice
talk
the
to my
tone of
sponsor.
this
I
final
was self-isolating
exchange.
again.
After everything
And so it
discussed
took
in
2 weeks,
court,
but the
the
thoughts
relapse,
control the
treatment,
behavior, which control the
monitoring, and
actions,
strict probation,
or feelings that
the
control the
focus
actions.
shifts
So
from
I did
punishment
relapse.
to whether
I
she can
then
actually
scared the
succeed
crap
under
out of
these
me because I
conditions.
don't want to be. It took about 2 weeks, but I relapsed. I was not doing what I was supposed to be doing, which was attend to AA, talk to my sponsor. I was self-isolating again. And so it took 2 weeks, but the thoughts control the behavior, which control the actions, and or feelings then control the actions. So I did relapse. I then scared the crap out of me because I don't want to be an alcoholic. Well, I'm going to be an alcoholic, but I don't want to. I want to live a nice life. And because I used to have everything and I lost it all. I'm at rock bottom. And so I re-entered the program voluntarily last Monday. It'll be 2 weeks. So I have another 6 weeks before I enter the IOP, which is when I go get a job and everything like that. I plan on staying in sober living afterwards. So that's going to be another controlled environment with UAs and breathalyzing. And I can do that at SOBA. So they actually have, I think it's like 25 acres or something like that. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's amazing. It sprawls out. There's a men's house, a women's house, a nursing
I
station.
have to come and get a tour.
Yeah.
I've had the people at the facility come and talk to me because it really clicked with me when you mentioned the hospitalization part.
Yes, ma'am.
Because the person talked to me and they told me that with alcohol and really with any other drug, of course, you got to detox and all of that.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you got to get your mind straight.
Mhm.
But then the hospitalization part is a part of that. So there
Yes.
won't be any
I totally
backslides.
forgot that. Yeah, it's actually considered a dual facility for both rehabilitation from substances and a mental facility.
Mhm.
So I am medicated. I have bipolar 2, ADHD, OCD, those kind of things, PTSD, and from childhood trauma. And yes, I'm on a bipolar med. If you can't sleep, they help you with, and non-narcotic, of course, sleep, like melatonin. It's just a fabulous facility. Like all the staff is super caring. The nursing staff, we've got a doctor on call at all times. Dr. Healy, he's a psychiatrist.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
that's
So-
who talked to me.
yeah, Dr. Healy. Yeah, he's awesome. He's awesome. He really listens and doesn't just push pills. Like I can't stand that. Like I don't want to be over medicated. I don't want to be a zombie. I just need the help. So
Okay, awesome.
Let me just ask a question. So, you're locked down for how many more days?
for another 6 weeks, I cannot leave. Well, I can leave the facility, like I said, for the 4-hour passes, after 30 days on Saturday and Sunday. But I would not be adverse to just foregoing those passes, just to stay in the lockdown, aspect of it. But like I said, after the 60 days, that's when you can actually leave and go get a job. And, yeah.
All right, so you're going to have to sign a release for probation. Probation, with regards to this facility where she is, you all can do the UA testing or you can accept their UA testing, however, that's appropriate under your program. So,
By this point, the court has laid out almost every condition
thank you.
Rebecca will have to
So
follow.
as previously stated,
But
the court
notice
is
the
going to
tone
find
of
you
this final
guilty.
exchange.
The court will
After
sentence you
everything
to 8
discussed in
years in
court,
prison,
the
suspended and
relapse,
probated for 6
treatment,
years. There's
monitoring,
to be
and
regular
strict
reporting by
probation,
Zoom or in
the
person.
focus shifts from
You to
punishment